Have you ever tried to manage your Kivy application, only to find yourself tangled up in widget management? It can be a real headache, right? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to check for the existence of a child widget in Kivy. I totally get it. You want to ensure that your layout is clean and efficient, and having duplicate widgets can really clutter things up. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges when working with Kivy. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, "How can I check if a child widget already exists before adding a new one in Kivy?" They provided a code snippet and expressed their desire to remove the existing layout if it was already present. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the issue here? In Kivy, managing widgets effectively is crucial for performance and usability. If you add a widget without checking for its existence, you might end up with multiple instances, which can lead to confusion and bugs. Let's break down how to handle this properly. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a handy tip that will help you streamline your widget management even further. To check if a child widget already exists in the layout, the user can modify the Create Layout function. First, they need to define a unique identifier for the box layout they want to manage. Next, the user should check if the box layout is already added to the screen. This can be done using the children property of the screen, which contains all the widgets currently added. If the box layout exists, the user can remove it from the screen. This ensures that only one instance of the layout is present at any time. Finally, the user can add the box layout to the screen. This will display the layout as intended, ensuring that the previous instance has been removed. Fun fact, did you know that Kivy was designed to be a cross-platform framework? This means you can build apps that run on Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS, all from the same codebase. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach is to utilize the children property of each widget. You can iterate through the children of your screen and remove any existing box layout before adding a new one. Another suggestion is to keep a reference to the box layout. In the initialization method, set a variable to none. Then in your Create Layout function, check if the variable is set. If it is, remove the existing layout before creating a new one. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative approach suggested by a user involves using a Boolean flag in your class. This flag would be set to true when you add the widget and false when you remove it. This way, you can easily check the status of the widget before adding a new one. Another method is to use Kivy's object property. You can create a box object property and assign your box layout to it. Then check if box obj is not none to determine if the widget exists. Here's that handy tip I promised. Always keep your widget management organized. Use clear naming conventions and consider creating a method to handle widget creation and removal. This will save you time and headaches in the long run. And there you have it. You now know how to check for the existence of a child widget in Kivy and keep your layouts tidy. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more Kivy insights.